Why do you do these things to me? These things to me, these things to me. How do you make me feel the way you do? Yeah, why must I break you down and smoke your pretty hair? Pretty hair. All I know is you tasting better in a bone in the paper square. Paper square, down in the paper square. Tasting damn better in a bone in the paper square. Oh my Lord, you got me stoned, got me living like I'm Cheech and Chong. So damn long, every day. No, I'm high till the month of May. Goddamn high, goddamn stoned.
We hitting bongs, no papers. Go everywhere, high as fuck. Yup, higher than a skyscraper. Not giving a fuck, all alone and still party. So what? There's always gonna be haters. Blow up. Yeah, we hitting bongs, no papers. Smoking out the glass bowl. Weed got me not always.
What's going on, dog? Motherfucking dude, ain't seen you in a minute. How you been, G? I've been good, dog. You know what I'm saying? Drinking this motherfucker agua. You know how I be? Hell yeah, just got to the secret destination. Finna chill here for a bit, see what to do. Probably drink a little bit, I don't know, man. I've been feeling like having some drinks. And only God knows if that's gonna happen. Cause I've been drinking water. Check out these little puppies, yeah. Look at these little puppies, man. That's the mama. That's all the puppies. Hey, mama. Show the puppies. Who's biting my sock? No. That's the puppy mob, man. They chewing on my motherfucking socks. They out here chilling in the motherfucking cold, in the wilderness. And guess what I got myself, yo? You never believe. Boom. And I've been eating Cheetos, so don't trip. But look, these is my shit. You ever fuck with these? Let me know. This is my shit. I also got some of these. Whoa. Chill. Hey, get the fuck away from my nuts. Fuck wrong with you? Not my nuts, my peanuts. Nigga. Fuck with these hot nuts. Yeah, man. Came to chill real quick. Got some little bit of drinking food. You know what I mean? By drinking food, like peanuts, chips, shit like that. Shit you snack on when you finna sip a little bit. Ain't nothing wrong with it. We just chilling. Trying to stay warm in this cold. It's pretty cold outside. Not that cold. Like you can't see my breath or nothing. But it's chilly. Yeah. Puppies stay far, man. Hell yeah. We'll see what else brings, man. Just thought I'd vlog a little bit. See what else the day brings and shit. I ain't doing much. Ain't shit popping, man. What's up with y'all, man? Y'all never be hitting me up no more, man. Y'all don't even be saying, what's up, G? I saw the vlog, bruh. What's good? Leave a damn comment, man. All my homies be like, hey, I watch the vlogs, man. They're dope. I'm talking to y'all. Y'all know who I'm talking to. And y'all niggas say, oh, yeah, I seen them, dog. Well, comment. Tell me you seen them, bruh. Don't just tell me in real life. Tell me in person. Tell me in the damn comment section that you watching this shit. Why they gotta be the cutest little puppy? Why you gotta be the cutest one, little black boy? It's a girl, man. Just like the mom, huh? Lou? Man, I can't see your black ass.
I'm dark, man.
Hell yeah. Scoot on. Just showing them the puppies, man. Told them I was showing them the puppies. I'm showing them the puppies. I like the little black one though. Picking into the lunch. Came real quick to Domino's. Trying to bust out the little vloggy, the vleezy, real quick. Came real quick to Domino's with my boy Lou. He wanted to pick something up for his kids and shit, so you know we gotta take care of business before we can be it's all work and no play. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. Just talking shit. Yeah, man. Just started to bust out the vleezy real quick and let y'all know that we here at Domino's. Came to pick up some pizza real quick. Somebody coming, some coming over here. Check this out. Ooh. For sure. Just came to Domino's. I know I'm repeating myself is because there's stuff going on. You know what I mean? And I feel like I left off somewhere. Anyways, Domino's, pizza, back home, and then probably get some drinks in. If not, I don't know if this guy wants to drink. He says he wants to, but I don't believe him. We'll see what's up right now. Yep, we'll see what to do. What you doing, dog?
Wood, man. I'm the wood man.
You're the wood man today?
Yep.
You're making a ratchet fire?
We're out here, man.
In the
We're out
wood
here
man?
in the country.
And we're trying to stay warm?
Yep.
Day 300. We finally found utensils to make fire. Somebody pulled up. Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Hey. It's a fucking phone party, man. What you finna do with that, Lou? You finna
I ain't even gotta say it.
tweet it, don't eat it. Oh, we got that on the tape.
I got that one on the camera.
Hey, we're gonna make some s'mores right now. We're gonna make some s'mores right now. That's what the whole point of the fire was. It was the children. It's my brother, Wiz.
Good.
Gonna do some s'mores. Everybody got the vlog channel now, as you can tell. Everybody recording. Kids. Fire.
Mijita. No zapatos. Oritita. Parento, orititita. Mijita.
Shoes!
You're not gonna get none because you ain't got no shoes. Right, Martin? No shoes, no clothes,
No
shoes,
service.
no jacket, no nothing.
No service.
No service.
No shoes, no shirt, no
I'm
service.
the uncle they told you about.
Oh, yeah. You know I got all that shit on tape, dog.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna look like an asshole.
I am an asshole. And everybody
Yeah.
knows it.
They're gonna be like, oh, man, he's telling the kids to go inside.
Yep. Go inside.
Hey, if they only
You
knew.
got no shoes, no socks. Get your damn butt inside.
Why? Because it's cold, right?
Yep. 'Cause it's cold in here. And, you know, there's a lot of pops out there, mamas that don't give a damn. Like the damn kid. Let them know about that shit right now.
This nigga still on the Snapchat, fool. Anyway, we finna do some s'mores in a bit. And then we'll see what else after
Put on
that.
some shoes.
Dad, you saw that?
Just like that.
Tastes good.
You make us more. Some good shit.
Damn, that shit is really good.
New by making no.
Man, I'm about to show y'all how it really done, man.
Come on, girls.
I think
There's
that one
snakes
look
out
good.
there.
Y'all think that
This was a Reese's peanut butter cup, marshmallow and graham cracker. That shit was fire. That shit was fire.
Way go. Way go.
We're ripping everybody apart. Yep.
Man, y'all took forever. They're already done.
Because the branches were nice.
There's no more.
There's no more. They finished. Y'all took forever.
I ate them all.
What? Nuh-uh.
Hurry up, go get your marshmallow.
Give us chocolate.
I didn't even do it right.
Go get it.
Hey, no. You gotta get.
Stick it in the flame down there, girl.
And just eat the chocolate.
No, don't just be in the chocolate cake.
There you go. Roasting the mallow.
Ah, man, damn.
Hey, man, I need your help, JoJo.
Dad, I put this one here.
Put that on top
Dad,
of it.
I put this one here.
Ready?
Dad.
Hold on, hold on.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
What was that, Hershey's?
There. Go get
I
me
like-
a cracker.
I like mine with Reese's
Here, look, I
because
got one for one more person. You want it?
them hoes go hard. My bad if I have anything on my face.
Like this guy. Oh.
Let me see one.
One at a time. Don't guys burn yourselves.
Go get me another piece of cracker.
This nigga snaps everything. Eat it. Don't tweet it.
This shit good. This shit good right here.
You got your marshmallow?
Everybody making s'mores.
Where'd you chocolate?
Oh my God. I won.
There's one, mommy. One little piece of chocolate.
All right, guys.
Right here.
Ghetto Christmas tree.
We gonna put it right here.
Ghetto Christmas tree.
We put it right here. Y se va a ver cuando está
I represent the hood.
O lo ponemos aquí en aquí. No,
What's up, everybody? We setting up the tree. Hopefully, it's gonna look beautiful for the hood. For the hood tree. Ni pedo. Ese Christmas, no es de Krampus. ¿Verdad, tío? ¿Verdad? Está bonito. Yep. So we ended the vlog on a. Oh, he's over there shitting. Look at this little fucker. Push it all out, way, all of it. Oh. And that's the tree.
So we're gonna put the balls first.
Yep, we're gonna put balls in it. I'll show you all the finished product in a little bit. At the Family Dollar, picking up all the last stuff that we need for the motherfucking Christmas tree, tío. Right? Yep, picking up all the last stuff that we need for the Christmas tree. And boom, retriever sticks for my dogs. Because I ain't get them shit. I haven't gotten them nothing. I mean, they got dog food and all that, but they don't really have anything. Check this out. Turn that shit off. Anyways, my mom and my girl are looking for something for my little sister for her birthday. They got a whole bunch of stuff put together to make her like a little birthday present basket kind of deal, girl makeup, bullshit like that. And the rest of the stuff for the Christmas tree and retriever sticks for my dogs. We just came for that and we ended up with a full cart. Oh well, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Anyways, we're about to pay and get out of here. See what we do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the Christmas tree when it's done. When we're finished. What? When we're finished putting all the decorations and the little top. Oh, you want them? Get them if you want them. Yeah, they probably are hot because they're for Christmas. They have these too, look. Jogger material. Anyways, you're making me waste time. I got glitter on my beard from those bulbs. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you the Christmas tree when we're done. I'm talking, dude. Let me finish talking. Christmas tree, bones. I'll hit y'all up in a bit, man. I'm sorry. And I need to end the vlog. Remember me. So we finally put it up. Our Christmas tree. I'll show y'all this in the dark though. Yeah. Ghetto little Christmas. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Ain't nothing to it. Yeah, buddy. So, there you go. Christmas tree set up. Let me see him. You want to show him? I want to show y'all something. My girlfriend's new pet. His name is Gizmo, aka Guillermo. Show him, fool. Show your face. He don't think he's sleepy. Here. Yup. Anyways, yeah. So we finished putting that up. Damn, I'm stuffed. I ate some Wendy's earlier. I'm sure y'all saw that. So we finished putting that up. Now, there's not much to do, man. Let me sit right here real quick. Oh, there's not much to do, man. But chill, take care of my uncle. Or not really take care of him, but just watch him. Nothing, man. Just end the vlog real quick. How y'all guys doing, man? I wish you guys would respond in the comments like, yo, dude, we're doing great, man. Fuck yeah, I like your Christmas tree, bro. It might be a little bit ghetto, but hey, at least you got a Christmas tree under your motherfucking roof, you feel me? Hell yeah, what the hell's that, a little hole? A hole! I'm feeling holy today. Anyways, man, I don't mean to babble on about nothing, but I'm gonna let y'all be. Just like every other day, man. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and I know it might look kind of weird because we went from doing s'mores and like a fire and whatnot to like just decorating the tree, but I didn't really feel like vlogging after that night. So yeah, man. I mean, it's a little rough, but oh well. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Vlogging with G. There's a Facebook. I'll put all the little ats at the end of the video. Y'all go ahead and follow me, man. I'm sorry I'm late on the vlogs, man. I've been delayed. And yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys soon, man. Hasta luego. Until next time. Ow!